It's Ken from Düsseldorf City Studios, and today we are not in the studio, we are actually in Düsseldorf, and right now we're standing in front of the Geary building, and we are going to be talking about iFootage's brand new camera head, the Komodo K5S. Let's dive into the studio, or should I say city. The Komodo K5S brings you all the features that you know and love from iFootage. A high-performance mounting lock system, high-precision bearings, and it's lightweight and portable, weighing in at roughly 820 grams. That's pretty great. iFootage really listens to their community's feedback and has given us some innovations that I think you'll find really useful. First of all, the base plate lock is a little bit bigger, which is more convenient. If we turn it around, the quick release lock is smaller and it's just really nice. Additionally, the pan lock right there is a little bit bigger. Again, convenience is everything. If we turn this over, you can see that the base plate right here is a little bit bigger, which means we're gonna have a little bit more fluidity and it's gonna give us a little bit more precise motion, which I think is really nice. The camera head is made out of a high quality, dense, aircraft style aluminum, which means it's gonna have a long life and be around for quite a long time. Additionally, the discs right here are separated from the body and have their own pieces. So if they were to wear down, which I doubt they will because they're also high quality metal right there, you have the option where you could easily replace them. But all in all, I think it's an amazing camera head. Surprisingly, it was about to rain in Düsseldorf, so I didn't get to film everything that I wanted to. So here I am, I'm gonna share some quick stats for you. Again, the net weight is roughly 820 grams. The height is 106 millimeters. The base type is flat. It has the quick release type of slide in. Here you can see the plate screw, which is pretty much normal. That's average. The working temperature is anywhere from -15 degrees to 60 degrees Celsius. The base diameter is 65 millimeters. The maximum loading is 5 kilograms, so it can pretty much hold any camera that you can think of. The rotation is 360 degrees, so it spins all the way around in a circle. The tilting angle is -83 degrees to a +90 degrees, which is great because then you can mount your camera sideways if you want to do a video for, let's say, TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Your tilting angle is anywhere from -83 degrees to a +90 degrees. And right there, your base mount is pretty much standard. Okay, let's head back to location at the Düsseldorf Media Hafen. Here we go. I really enjoyed showing you the features of the Komodo K5S Camera Head. I think it's really innovative. They've really listened to their community and the innovations are really gonna help your workflow, whether you're a cinematographer, a photographer, or a content creator. It is a really lovely camera head. Now, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments below if you think this is a cool camera head or not. Have you tried it? Have you put it to use? Are you gonna give it a try? Let me know in the comments below. We'll see you on the next one. And as always, happy creating.